Hi, Emmanuel here with T2S Transform to Succeed. What we offer here are opportunities to transform your life so that you can succeed at an IT career or profession and no prior IT experience required to join any of our programs. And today, this is a series on helping you become a cloud engineer, and it's going to be a journey. The first thing we need to do is to make sure that you have an account with one of the largest actually cloud platforms. We're talking about AWS, we're talking about Google and Microsoft Azure, and of course the list goes on and on. But these are the top three cloud computing platforms that we have, and AWS is the largest. So you have training with AWS as a cloud engineer. You are pretty much guaranteed a job as a cloud engineer. Let's go onto the browser here, and I'll show you something here quick. This is the YouTube channel. This is where you go to find all the information you need. All of the resources here on this YouTube channel are free, so you can access them anytime to learn on your own. And for you to set up an account with AWS, because you need to open an account with AWS, Amazon Web Services. And when you are on that console, then you will be able to access all of the services that Amazon Web Services or AWS offers. And that's the starting point there. So we're gonna go there. And how do we get there? So you're gonna have to use this AWS Amazon.com, and that's it. So you do that. Three things that you need. You need four things. You need an email address. You need a password. You're gonna need a password to set up an account. You need a cell phone number, and also you need a bank card. This could be a debit card or a credit card, and I will explain to you why you need all of that. So here now, what you do, you can either go to you don't go there, go to sign in to the console. So you click there, and you don't need that. So what you need to do is to go to create a new AWS account. So you click there, and it takes you here, and you're gonna need to enter your password, your email address. So in my case, it's gonna be student4t2s@gmail.com. That's what I have for me here. And then it's not valid. What am I missing here? student4t2s@gmail, not valid. So I'm gonna enter my student account here. That's interesting. Used for account recovery and some administrative function. So I'm gonna need a different password here. So I have the root user email address. I have the AWS account name here, and what I need to do next is to verify the email address. You need to go to your email address, to your inbox, find the verification code, and then input it here. And that's what I'm gonna do now. So I have found the code here, and I'm gonna go and put it, sorry about that, put it here to verify. So my email address has been verified. Now I have to create a password, and make sure that you save your password in a safe place. So your password needs to meet all of these requirements, 8 characters long, and should contain at least 3 of the following. When you see the green check points here, the marks here, then AWS is happy. Then you repeat the same password here and go to the next step. And the next step here, you choose either it's a business or personal. I'm gonna have to choose personal because it's just for your own project. And then you're gonna enter the name here. I'm gonna do that. And then this is where you use your number. Make sure that you have the cell phone number here. Then you're gonna use it again because AWS will verify this number if this number is correct. Make sure you read the customer agreement. You're gonna have to read all of this good stuff here. And once you're satisfied, then you check this box here to say I have read and I agree to the terms of this agreement. This will take you to the next step. Here you enter your credit or debit card number, and then the details about the card, your billing address. You need to do this. Why? Because of this. They want to verify your identity if you are a human being, a real human being. So some people can hide behind the systems, and they use a code, they use a script to set up accounts. And machines will never replace humans, and that's what AWS is trying to do here. Make sure that you are who you claim to be. And I'm gonna take care of that while you watch this very short video here. So that's done, and now they want you to input your cell phone number because they want to verify again your identity. You do that, and in my case, sometimes they may ask you to do the security check as well. I'm gonna do that, and while I do that, I'll play this transition, this short video again. I guess I'm back now, using the cell phone that you input the number that you want to associate with your account here. So you go to that cell phone and look for a text from AWS with the code, and that's what you enter here, which will take you to I believe, the last step of opening an account with AWS. When you get here, you have to select support plan. You have these three options, and I will recommend you to do the basic support. You're not yet a developer, but if you are, then you will do this. Most businesses, they use the business support plan. Each plan comes with benefits that the others may not have, since you're learning, just use the basic support free plan here, and then click on complete, sign up. And you see here, congratulations. Now you can go to the AWS Management Console. You're gonna need to log in as the root user. The root user gives you access. It gives you access to all of the services, and we will be talking about all of that in the next videos. So I enter, and then I enter my password here. Enter my password, and in my case I usually save that. So here you have the console. This is where you see all of the services, and we'll be talking about each one of these services. They are kind of like organized by category here. You have compute with all of this list of compute services. You have containers with these containers services, storage, database, migration and transfer, networking and content delivery, and the list goes on and on. So we in the next video, I'll walk you through this console, and then I would call it also dashboard, and then we'll start looking at every single service. Most of the videos that I will share in the future will be pretty much like hands-on. It's gonna be demos with a little bit of concepts, summarized concepts about each of these services. I hope I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, stay blessed. Continue sharing love and peace with every single human being that you meet. God bless you.